Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to know how to add your favorite tunes or voiceovers to your Canva site? Open Canva and select your account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Web option to access and manage your web-related preferences and features. In the main area, locate the list of domains. Find the domain you want to view, then click the View button next to it. This will open the latest version of your website, allowing you to review or make changes as needed. Click the three dots next to your site, then select Edit Site to begin making changes to your website content. Go to the Apps panel and type Embed in the search bar. Select the Embed option from the list. In the Embed window, copy the media link you want to use. Next, go back to your design, click where you want to add the media, then paste the link. Your media will now be embedded in your design. To embed a web link to your favorite online media in your design. First, go to the online media website, like YouTube, and copy the link of the media you want to use. Then, return to your design platform, locate the embed feature, and paste the copied link. Your chosen YouTube video will now appear embedded in your design. Search for a music sample by entering your keywords in the search bar. Browse the results, then select a sample you like from the list. After choosing the sample, additional options and details will appear for you. Copy the URL, then paste it into the provided field. Next, click Add to Design. This will import your chosen content directly into your design project for further editing. Here you can see a YouTube video embedded directly on our website. To watch it, simply click the play button in the center of the video player. This will start the video right here without needing to leave the page or open YouTube separately. The automation is now active, and you can see it here. If your automation isn't running yet, make sure you publish it. Click the Publish button to activate your automation and ensure it's working as expected. To add audio to your Canva website, open your project, click the Uploads tab, then select and drag your audio onto the design. You've learned how to add audio to your Canva website. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.